This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Rhonda Harmon. Absolutely beautiful modern rustic elegant cabin conveniently located in gated community close to Blue Ridge. From the moment you arrive, the stunning mountain and rolling valley views showcase what is to come. Easy entry with just a few steps, you will see breathtaking outdoor areas, huge stone fireplace, wraparound porches, dining area, expanding outdoor living and entertainment. 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, filled with the wow factor. Impressive main level, open concept, vaulted ceilings, nice size dining area, designer kitchen, custom cabinets, stainless, granite counters, grand fireplace and lounging space. Owner's retreat on main welcomes you to built-in Bluetooth sound and mood lighting system, double vanity/granite, and custom tiled shower and bath. Laundry room and bath are also located on main. Lower level includes voice-activated Google Nest suite for music and entertainment, games, family room with beautiful stacked stone fireplace, bedroom, bunk room, wet bar, and a full bath. Walk out to the screened-in porch and new hot tub just waiting to provide relaxation after a long day of hiking and exploring. Top it all off with a professionally designed fire pit area for cool mountain evening s'mores and deer watching. This home has it all. Furniture and furnishings included. In rental program with both the rest. For more information, review the